The purpose of this steel cable assembly in the Full Swing Simulator is to hold the screen down to the ground so golf balls can't go underneath, and it presents a nice finished look from the front. The turnbuckle attaches to these side posts that are screwed into the wall securely and into the pulley that is mounted at an angle. The steel cable is wrapped in a plastic tube that provides some protection from the screen so it lasts longer. These hold-down devices are placed across the front of the screen at proper increments called out in the drawing. The purpose of these is to, the steel cable actually runs through the end of this, and if this is put in the proper location and attached properly to the cable, it will hold the cable down so the pressure of the screen pulling up won't pull it up away from the floor. There are several adjustments that are usually necessary. One, you have to pay attention to how far back you put this from the cable so you don't have to make a lot of adjustments. The angle iron is normally set at 9 inches from the cable. This adjustment allows you to move in and out if it's protruding out too far or if it's back too far. We want this cable to be a perfectly straight line. We don't want these devices to push it out or pull it back. So that adjustment is made here. After you adjust it, these have to be tightened securely so they don't come loose and jiggle and move through use. The second adjustment is these two nuts. The purpose of this is to make sure that this standoff is far enough forward that we're creating a little bit of down pressure so that when the screen is pulled up by the bungee cords all the way around and by balls hitting it, the screen doesn't lift off the ground. So these generally get moved in until they gently touch the ground, and we've got a little bit of down pressure here, and that holds the screen securely in place and gives us a nice finished look.